Um, Allentown approach, Commander 4 Kilo Juliet. I'm returning to Allentown.
4 Kilo Juliet, Roger, do you need assistance?
I don't know. Let me figure this out. I've got partial loss of power.
Roger, just turn direct to field for now.
4 Kilo Juliet, break. Actually, Reading closer, 4 Kilo Juliet.
Roger, do you want Queen City? It's just about 12 miles southeast of you.
I don't know. Let me see.
Yeah, you already made the turn. Queen City's about 14 and a half miles off your 105 heading.
4 Kilo Juliet.
They do have a runway 33 and the reciprocal 15.
Roger, 4 Kilo Juliet. Just seeing how we're making it. Still got partial power.
4 Kilo Juliet, looks like you're descending. Are you not able to hold altitude?
Negative, 4 Kilo Juliet.
Roger, the highway's just off your right.
Yeah, I don't want to land on the highway.
4 Kilo Juliet, in that area, the highway's the best thing I got.
Okay, 4 Kilo Juliet. Highway is that?
78.
Check your gears down.
4 Kilo Juliet, radar contact lost in the vicinity about a quarter-mile east or west of East Texas. Radar contact lost in the vicinity about a quarter-mile east or west of East Texas. Radar contact lost in the vicinity about a quarter-mile east or west of East Texas.